Can I get Paramount Plus on Dish Network? No, Paramount Plus is not available as a channel on Dish Network. However, Dish subscribers can still access Paramount Plus separately using a streaming device or smart TV. 1. Paramount Plus is a streaming service, not a cable channel. Paramount Plus is an independent streaming service and is not included in Dish Network's channel lineup. Unlike traditional channels like CBS or MTV, Paramount Plus requires a separate subscription and internet access. 2. Watching Paramount Plus on a smart TV. If you have a smart TV connected to Dish Network, you can still download the Paramount Plus app and stream directly. This does not require a Dish subscription. 3. How to watch Paramount Plus while using Dish Network. Since Paramount Plus is not on Dish, you can watch it on smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Sony, Vizio, etc. Streaming devices, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast. Gaming consoles, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S. Mobile devices or web browsers. 4. How to subscribe to Paramount Plus without Dish Network. Step 1. Visit the Paramount Plus website or download the app. Step 2. Click sign up or subscribe now. Step 3. Choose a subscription plan, essential with ads or premium with no ads. Step 4. Enter your email and payment details. Step 5. Confirm your subscription and start streaming. 5. Dish Network subscribers can still watch CBS content. Dish Network does offer CBS, which airs some Paramount content, but it does not include Paramount Plus exclusives like Star Trek, Strange New Worlds, or 1923. 6. Alternative ways to get Paramount content on Dish. If you want Paramount Network, not Paramount Plus, it is available on Dish on Channel 241 with most packages. However, Paramount Plus originals and exclusive content require a separate subscription. 7. Future possibility of Paramount Plus on Dish Network. As streaming services and cable providers evolve, there is a possibility that Dish may offer a bundle or partnership with Paramount Plus in the future, but no official plans have been announced. Paramount Plus is not available on Dish Network, but Dish subscribers can still access it through smart TVs, streaming devices, or a separate subscription.